Hello you guys, welcome back to another video. So I wanted to start off by saying welcome to all my new subscribers, and of course those who have been with me from the beginning and are still going with me on this journey. Thank you so much for always supporting me, and today I have some cleaning motivation for you. I got some laundry motivation in there as well, so I hope you enjoy. So whenever I start my cleaning, even on the days that I'm not filming, I tend to always start in our room and then I work my way down to the living room and the kitchen. So that's exactly what I was doing on this day, and I wanted to start off by tidying up our room first and then move on to the other areas of the house. I hope you guys have been enjoying seeing Logan in some of my cleaning videos. He absolutely loves to help me. He walks around carrying all my cleaning stuff, and sometimes I do let him wipe a little bit because he really enjoys helping me out. He sometimes just tries to imitate everything that I do, especially when I'm vacuuming. We bought him a kid's version of my Dyson vacuum, and he loves that. So whenever he sees me pull out my vacuum, he'll run to his room and grab his and start vacuuming as well. And it's just so cute to watch.
Losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Oh, this is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this misty cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't.
So after vacuuming the room, I then went ahead and I headed into the living room and started to tidy up there as well. There wasn't too much to do there, just always the kids bring some toys once in a while, but they typically like to play downstairs or in their rooms, so I'm kind of lucky that way. I never have too many toys in the living room, or they just learned how to clean after themselves because they know I just can't stand toys in the living room. So that's what I was doing here while Logan was following me around. He's been obsessed with that soccer ball, so he takes it everywhere he goes, and he just literally follows me throughout the day when his brother is doing virtual learning.
Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? We start it all over. And let's get together now, so we can find a spark in the night. Yeah.
My couches were in serious need of being wiped down. I don't know how I let them get this dirty, but I did not realize how yucky they looked on the side. Ever since I moved this couch here, I don't really pay attention to it. I don't know if it's the corner or just the space that nobody really sits there. But we like to sit on the big couch. It's the one that faces the TV. Maybe that's why. But this one had gotten so dirty. It looked like things had splashed on it. So I wanted to make sure that I gave all my couches a really good wipe down.
You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying.
So I've mentioned before how I wanted to change the living room rug, and I've been looking. I'm still looking, but currently we are in a lockdown, so all the stores are closed, the ones that are non-essential. If you live in Ontario, you know what I'm talking about. So it's been so hard to find something, and I was looking at Wayfair, and they have some really cute rugs there, but I've never ordered anything from Wayfair. So let me know if you've had a good experience or a bad experience from Wayfair. Let me give me the tea. So let me know down below if you like it or you don't like it and why. I just want to know before I start buying stuff there and then not liking it. So I want to hear from you guys. Leave me a comment. So before I wanted to go ahead and start cleaning my next space, I wanted to fold at least one load of laundry. I have been doing a load of laundry every day, and to be honest, it has been so helpful. I just feel like I don't have to stress about too much laundry all in one day. So I wanted to fold up my towels and my cleaning microfiber cloths before I went ahead and headed into the kitchen.
When I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you go like.
So in the kitchen, I just wanted to do wiping down of my appliances and also my countertops. My appliances had gone for a few days without me wiping them, so they definitely have collected little fingerprints, and I wanted to make them a little shiny again.
I never took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost, and never answer when I hit your phone up. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've should've known. Just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
Alright, you guys, it is towards the end of the video, and I just wanted to end it here. I just wanted to make this orzo salad and keep it in the fridge for our lunch the next day. So I wanted to take the opportunity to do it quickly while I had the time before the kids had gotten crazy. So after cleaning, that's what I did. I prepared the salad, and yeah, that was the end of my cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet or you are new, please go ahead and do so. It is free. It helps me grow on my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate your help. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and also, I said this on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there. I like to make my little YouTube announcements on there too. So, because we are on lockdown, the kids are home, it's a little hard for me to do 2 videos a week. So, from now until probably the end of June, I will be doing 1 video a week. It will be on Sundays. So look out for that. And yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around, and give me a thumbs up if you stay till the end, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.